Is your team trained enough to have the same answer for every objection that comes your way? If the question is, I don't have money, do all your team members give the same answer? Do they tackle it with the same answer? If the question is, I don't have time, are all the team members having the same answers? Think about it. A very big mistake. If all your team members do not have the same answer to all the objections that are coming into your organization, that means that there is something missing. Do you agree, ladies and gentlemen? Yes or no? Have you ever even done this particular thing? Have you ever even tried doing this? सबको एक संग बिठाओ, सबको सेम क्वेश्चन दो एंड सबको बोलो आंसर लिखें उसी समय पेपर पे. If they don't have the same answer, all of them, it's a mistake on your part. You haven't trained them enough. अगर आपके पास वो सेम क्वेरी आती है, क्या आपका सेम आंसर रहता है हर बार? अगर आपका सेम आंसर रहेगा सारी क्वेरीज पे, ऑटोमेटिकली आप कन्वर्जन कर पाओगे. नाउ I asked you and I told you something earlier in this session. When you prepare the answers for all the objections, where will you put them? Come on, people, where will you put them? Let's see who gives the right answer. I gave you a term in the beginning of this session. No. Role play good, role play hoga. But one more thing I told you. Preparing one more thing. Good, Omkar. Very, very good. You need to have your knowledge base, and inside your knowledge base, you need to have all the objections and all the answers written down. And you can also have it in the form of videos, so that सारे team members के पास same answer रहेगा सारी queries का. How many of you now realize that this is so important, that all the team members have the same answers to every query that is thrown towards them? If you agree with that, type I. We probably never I even thought on these lines, but I'll tell you today, it is very important that the answers, that the questions are thrown at your team should be the same. Somebody says, sir, क्या word to word same रहना चाहिए? Word to word same करा दो, बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. Similar questions का. And then जो भी बंदे का होगा, depending upon their age, depending upon the information, depending upon the interaction, आप उनको बताओगे. What would happen if the answer is not the same? That means that the training of the team has not been done. आपकी टीम की ट्रेनिंग नहीं हुई भी अच्छे से, वो गलती है. So that's why it is very important that same answers. Okay, now what do you understand by the term same answers during sales? What do you understand by the term same answers during sales? Let me know.